Hi guys, Terry here. Hey, I wanted to make a quick video. We are heading out of town and I wanted to show you what came in the mail. This is the Sewers Club that I get monthly. It's a company out of Canada and I just love their monthly kits. So let's see what's in this month's. So this would be April's. Let's see. They always have just a fun sewing project. So here's April's. And it looks like it is a little makeup pouch. How cute is that? Love the zipper. Love the fabric. So I'll have links on my website to this company. I think for the price, you really get a good deal. You can get $5 off using my code. So I'll have a link on my website. And just look at these colors. I think this is my third box to get. Isn't that beautiful? Fun. So that must be maybe on the inside. Here's what's on the outside of it. How fun is that? And you know, if you want to make the project or if you want to use different fabric, you can. Look how fun that zipper is. How cute. How fun. Very cute. And then another part of it, so these fabrics are really pretty together. So you could use them to make something else, but they send you enough fabric to make the project. And include a little bit of thread. And then here's the batting. So really they include everything. And then I'm not sure what that is. Oh, there's just a little... It's just a little bracket that says homemade. How cute is that? I don't keep saying that, but it's really cute. So they've got all the steps, and they've got, I'll cover up the password here, but they've got a video of how to make it. And then they've got the steps lined out there. So really cute. There's an add-on package. I haven't done that. It usually includes some fun other little tool. I don't do that. I just do the base project. But it's got all the steps that you need, and then it's got the instructions. So very cute. Like I said, I'll have a link to it on my website, and that'll get you $5 off your first box. And I think it's just a really good bargain. So I will talk to you guys later. I hope you have a great week.